Molly, I don't know if you are able to help me today. I know that you're homesick, but maybe we could just count this as working at home and not like a missed day. And I could give you some things to do at home that would really help that I don't always have time for. So something that I want to do is I want to make an accelerated reading log for my students. And I found a blog that explains how to do it. And it's a little bit complicated. It does use a little bit more advanced Google Forms. And it's called Teaching in Room 6 Reading Check-In on Google Forms if you want to search for this blog online. But essentially what I've done is I've created a master reading log called Accelerated Reading Check-In that I've already done. Now the tricky part is, in order for this to be a log that each different child can use, is that I then have to make a copy of this for every kid. I have to basically make a copy, rename it with every child's name in the class, and then link the responses to one spreadsheet and then rename the tabs. It is definitely a step up from what we've done before. I mean, it's actually the first time I put all these steps together, but I don't think it's impossible. So what you would need to do first of all is go to Google Chrome and the Google Chrome browser, and then you want to log in as me, as Temple Salas-Yoshii. You know my username is Salas-Yoshii Temple at ovsd.org, and my password is mv.2613ts. So once you've logged in as me, then you can access my Google Docs, and then you click on my waffle at the top, and you want to click on this one that says Keep, and in Keep I keep a list of students' names, like a check-off list of students' names. And the one at the top, I'm going to rename this Accelerated Reader, AR Reader, Google Forms check-off list. So we would use this as our list to make sure that we've gotten all the kids' names. We haven't skipped anybody. Now something I do is which really helps me, is I do a double screen. So on my computer, I just make sure that I can see both screens. Okay, so then what you would do is you would go into Google Forms, and you would go into you would go to Google Drive. So go back to the waffle, and then go to Google Drive. And then there is a folder on my drive that says AR Reading Log Google Forms. You double click on that. And I've done a couple already this morning for Leah and for Alexis. So now I'm on Alexa. So I need to just do them for all 30 kids in my class. So to do that, double click on the Accelerated Reader Log. And then up here where you have the 3 dots, click on it and then click on Make a Copy. Retitle it with the name of the student. So the next kid in our list is Alexa. A-L-E-X-A. Click OK. Now Alexa's form has been made. We have this for Alexa. What I need to do is I need to link the responses to a spreadsheet so I can see all the kids' responses on one spreadsheet with different tabs. So I have Alexa's reading log open, and then there's the questions, and then on the right it says responses, and then you see the icon for the spreadsheet. Click on the green icon, and then click on Select Existing Spreadsheet, and then click Select. And then the one that pops up, the first one that pops up, is the one I've been saving them all to, which is the Accelerated Reader Spreadsheet. Click Select. Now what happens is that on this same spreadsheet, a new tab opens down here at the bottom. And the tab is automatically numbered Form Responses 4. Now I want to rename that because I'm not going to remember that Alexis is Form Responses Form. So I right click on Form Responses Form in that tab, and then I see the option to rename it. So I rename this Alexa. Now, when I am going through, I rename this. Actually, I think this one is supposed to be Alexis. Okay, so let's change that. This one actually I think is Alexis. So Leah, okay, Alexa, okay. Okay, this I think needs to be Alexis. This needs to be renamed. Do it real quickly. So this is, yeah, that's Alexis. Okay, good. So that is now linked to Alexis's form. Let me double check I did this right. Oh, actually. Okay, I need to rename this. You will not make this mistake. This is just a mistake I'm fixing where I named these guys wrong. So I made a mistake here, so I'm going to give this a weird name just for the moment. This is actually Alexis. And this one is Alexa. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So now when I go to see the tabs, I can see the correct name. And when I click on it, I'll see all the data from that child. And I just need to do this for all 30 kids. So I'll do it one more time. So I have the Google Keep in front of me. I just did Alexa, so I check off that one. I did Alexis, I'm checking off that one. The next child to do is Amy. She's the next on my list. This is again my Google Keep. This is more my checklist of all kids' names are. So then I'm going back to the original accelerated reader form. The one that says accelerated reader log, that's my master copy. 3 dots, click on make a copy. I'm going to rename this one Amy. Amy accelerated reader log. Okay. And then I'm going to link her responses to the spreadsheet, to one spreadsheet. So I click on responses, then I click on the green spreadsheet icon, click on select existing spreadsheet, click select. It opens it up. I select the spreadsheet that's named accelerated reader. And then I go down to the bottom and now I see it says form responses 5, and I'm going to rename that one Amy. So I click on it, click on rename, change the name to Amy. So now I know that's Amy's responses. And then I go to Google Keep and I check Amy off my list. I'm done with Amy. And then I go back to the original accelerator reader log, make a copy, and I repeat the steps. So if you are able to help me with this today, figure it out, that would be amazing. If not, I understand. I know you have other things too. But that would help me because this is kind of a big job. Just text me if you're able to get to it. Otherwise, I'll work on it after school. Okay. Thanks a lot, Chica. Take care. Hope you're feeling better.